Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation on this device. First of all, you need to swipe down from the top of your screen at the top right corner, over here. Then click on this icon with a padlock, and as you can see, mine is white. That means that automatic screen rotation is now disabled. If you want to enable it, you can always do that by clicking on the same icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!